Hi guys, welcome to our mini vlog. So for today's mini vlog, so we decided nga ilaag na mo si Bella sa gawas, and yep, she's really happy nga maka-experience makagawas sa balay because really wanted her to learn and also to meet with other dogs and people kay we really like her also nga makauban na mo siya sa among mga travel in the future. So and yep, just wanna share to you also guys unsa nga phone among gigamit ani pag video. So we are using Samsung S24 Plus, and as you can see, it's really nice ihang mga specs ani nga video. So you can have also um, black and white, and the subject is pwede siya color, and I really love the stabilization of this phone as well, and you can also have blurry and background as well. And yeah, she really loves to explore here also, si Bella. And Bella is always curious all the time. And also, as you can see, so far, I really like the specs sa ihang camera sa Samsung S24. Yeah, that's how it works. Ihang camera sa S24, guys. And of course, si Bella, always curious, gusto mo explore. And yeah, sa iyang phone, daan na siya yung mga like filters nga imong gusto. So we also decided nga mag baklay baklay si Bella sa dalan. But then she really wants to run. So she really likes to explore as well. So paspas kay ni siya gadagan, guys, as you can see. Hapit ko ani mabangga kay nahulog akong candy, and yeah, nalipay kayo siya gadagan, guys. And grabe, daghan kay iro diri, lisod kayo ipaklay diri with dogs kay daghan kay iroan. Gimute na lang gid na mo kay ngano, grabe kid ang pagbark sa mga iro diri. And of course among Bella, di po siya papildi, guys, feeling niya dako kay siya nga iro, and she really loves to bark as well. So yeah, paspas kay siya kadagan. Wala ko na inform nga kinahanglan pa ko magdagan ni kapaspas, where nindot pa sa ako, kay it's an exercise for both of us. So at least I know already. Kaya kinahanglan ko magdagan-dagan po sa iya in the future if ever magawas me. And yeah, happy kaayo siya, guys. As you can see her face. Yeah, happy kaayo siya with all the smiles in her face as well. But you know what happened to her? Gikapoy siya og grabe gid ang tulog after sa iyang kiat. So that's all.